Okay, thank you. All right, so what you're looking at here is app response. It's actually not Client Accelerator, but the reason I'm showing you app response is because before I show you what it looks like to benefit, I want to show you some of the applications I've got right here on my home network. So I'm going to go into, look at the apps that are here, and you'll notice that I've got the top 10. Let me filter this by the top 100 by throughput. And if I start looking through this list of applications, you're going to see a lot's going on right here in my home network because my kids are home, my wife is home. So I have things like Mojang, that would be gaming. My kids are probably playing games right now. If I look, there's Minecraft, so I know my son plays that when he's not doing his online schoolwork now. I got Google Play, so quite a mix. There's some FaceTime. I think I have there's Netflix, so maybe somebody in the house is watching videos right now. And then a lot of HTTP traffic. So there's just a big mix. If I go in a little deeper into this HTTP traffic, for example, the address on my machine is .49. That's my Mac. This is another device on the network, not sure, but it's taking some bandwidth. If I look at the throughput and I build this time chart, I can see that for a while they've been consuming 6 to 8 megs of my bandwidth, right? That's bandwidth that I don't get to use to do my work. And now I'm working from home, and to me that's important. So we're all contending for this bandwidth. But with that said, let's take a look at what it looks like side by side. I have 2 machines here. The one on the left is Accelerated. I have Client Accelerator installed on it. The one on the right does not have Client Accelerator, but they're identical Windows machines. I'm going to download this 500 meg file from SharePoint, assuming it's some assets that I need to work with for a presentation maybe that I'm working on. So I'm going to click on download, and then I'll save it, and let's view the downloads, and we can see that there. Now I'll come over here to the Accelerated machine on the left. I'll go ahead and click. I can click that. There we go. Click that file and hit download. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to save it here and then view downloads. And let's get a little comparison. So right away, you can see that I've almost caught up to the machine on the right as far as how much data I've downloaded. In fact, now I've passed it up. I'm getting about 15 megabits per second on the Accelerated machine. And on the one on the right, the one that is not accelerated, about 5.7 megabits per second. And I'm at about 50% there, and I'm just about to 75% on the left. So this is quite a difference. Same SharePoint site, same file. And when I look at my client, I see I'm getting about 96% data reduction. And that's huge savings. So if you think that saves me a couple of minutes here on this one single download. It's already downloaded on the left, the one on the right still going. That time that I save right now, if I add that up throughout the day, that's a pretty significant time saving for myself. Multiply that through the week. But if you do that for every single employee, then the time savings and the productivity gain is insane. And there on the right, we just finished the download. So there's a side-by-side comparison showing the real benefits of the Client Accelerator. And now I'll stop sharing my screen and pass it back to you.